This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
What's the advantage of using Claude Code from VS Code versus from the terminal?
It's a little easier to me for switching around between things and keeping track of what I'm working on, and it's just a more familiar interface. It's wrapped with a GUI, like as most things. Command prompts, people don't love, and when it's wrapped in the GUI and you have a couple of things available, it's a little more user friendly.
And you can switch between folders fairly easily, also, right?
Well, it just depends what's open. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Um,
Now, did
one advantage for me in VS Code is that I can load the extensions, which add useful things.
no, the demonstration the other day that Ryan gave, he didn't see he on his IDE, he was not seeing the code. Were you able to implement that with VS Code?
I was able to stop the diffs. I still see kind of here's what I'm doing, but it definitely
Okay.
is less, right? Which is great. However, and I think it was Paul, someone after that call, after Ryan did his stuff, said, "Hey, there's a VS Code new extension with VS Code Insiders that gives you like the cursor look." So this morning I was installing that. I haven't finished it yet, but I'm looking forward to trying that out to see how it feels, right?
Right, because I think seems like that's a big advantage for us coders who
It,
don't give a damn about the code.
yeah, yeah. I would say I'm trying to think of a different word. When you don't want to see the code, it's a great thing to be able to do. I 100% agree. I just think it depends who you are, right? Because as Ace would be like, I hate this.
Yes.
Well, he wants
So
to see the code.
yeah, so that's why I'm saying like I get your point, and I agree with it. It's just I struggle on the word advantage or but is because it just depends who you are, right? For those who want,
Yes.
yeah, it's a great preference to be able to change to, right? Um,